What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel with the best Hot Wheels premium set of the year 2025. Well, that's at least my personal opinion, and to be honest, I don't know what other sets will be coming out this year, but I'm already committing myself. This is as good as it gets, and I will tell you why. So as you can see, this is the silhouettes set, and I mean, take a look at the card art. In my opinion, this is fantastic, and so are the models. And one thing on top of that I personally really like, take a look at the wheels. No gray plastic wheels. That is something that is really cool. And I have to say, it's been quite a while since I ordered a whole case of Hot Wheels premium models, but they are really cool, and you can't get all of them on the packs because there are two models here in my area that are extremely popular, which are the Skyline and of course the RWB. Impossible to get. I'm not really sure if they get on the packs and not taken away by the employees before they put them out. I'm not really sure. Impossible to get. So yeah, I had to order a whole case. Unfortunately, I didn't find a chase. And yeah, with that said, I would say let's get started with number one, which is the LBER 34 Super Silhouette Nissan Skyline. This is what the card art looks like. Fantastic in my opinion. Number one of 5. And yeah, here it is. Looking really good. Of course, these are Hot Wheels premium models, so with a metal body, metal base, and rubber tires, some nice black 5-spokes. And yeah, we got a lot of details. I mean, the front looks really good, really crisp prints. On the side, you see, I think you can see it on the camera. Unfortunately, as always, we get these pixels in the print. Not that pretty, but I really like the stance of this model. And you can see the yellow roll cage inside, and this windshield banner saying Liberty Walk Performance, which is also really cool. And yeah, we got some details on the back. Unfortunately, once again, take a look at the yellow areas, these pixels. That doesn't look really good. I mean, these are premium models. I think they could do a little bit better. We get also prints on the hood and on the wing, and of course these do roll. And I have to say, I mean, you get this stuff also from other brands like Mini GT, and I mean, the models are better, but I really like the feeling of these Hot Wheels premium models. So yeah, we put this one into the parking lot. Oh, I wanted to show you the other versions that I have. It's only one, to be honest. It's this guy here. This one was part of the Mountain Drifter set, I think from 2 years ago. And yeah, it was also really popular, and I think it looks really good. But yeah, there is one thing that does look a little bit better, because there was a chase version. And yeah, I was really lucky and got one. The black version. I think this thing also looks really fantastic. So let's put this to the side. And yeah, let's go on with the next model. Number 2 is our LB Works McLaren 720S. This is what the card art looks like. Really nice. This is a new casting, and this one, if you are lucky, would be the chase. So if you see this one in black, this would be the chase of this set. I will be honest, I'm not a huge fan of these McLarens. I think the design is good, but it's not outstanding. It's just my opinion. I mean, this one comes with this carbon fiber pattern on the hood. I think the color is pretty cool. I also like this Liberty Walk logo here on the side, the Liberty Walk windshield banner. And yeah, once again, the wheels are a really good choice in my opinion. Unfortunately, here you see the whole roof is plastic. I mean, yeah, it is how it is. But the model itself, I think, is very well executed. Of course, we get these over fenders here riveted from Liberty Walk. So let's put this guy in to the parking lot as we go on with number 3 of 5, which is the Nissan 300 ZX, which is also a pretty new casting. This is the second time we see this one. Let's put this to the side. And yeah, there we go. Comes in blue with white 5 spokes. This one also does look very good, saying Hot Wheels Racing on the hood. And yeah, this is the second time we see this. I already mentioned it. This guy here was the first version, and this one was part of a pretty nice team transport set. So it did come with this. I think it's the Euro hauler with Nissan deco. I mean, this set isn't really popular here, and it's pretty easy to get. I don't really understand. I like this branded stuff, and I think it's a nice casting. Nice wheels, nice hauler, but whatever. Seems like people don't like this one. And of course, this thing here is definitely the pack warmer, but this one, surprisingly, is also not very popular, and so is this one. So yeah, this one is also really, really cool. This is the Mazda RX-7 FC Pandem. This one has the best card art, in my opinion. I like it when they throw so much color on these models. I'm not really sure what that is. Maybe the signature of the designer. And number 4 of 5. And yeah, there we go. I really like this one. I don't understand why it's not that popular, but the deco on this one is really cool in my opinion. So yeah, the base color is kind of a light blue, and then we got pink and yeah, kind of lime green details on our model, and of course you can see it comes with mismatched wheels, saying number 77 on the roof. We have a pink roll cage and all these sponsor logos here on the rear window, looking really good. Also sponsor stuff on the wing, also on the back. Yeah, lime green base. Yeah, this one does look really cool. A really nice one, really nice addition. And yeah, I think it definitely was worth buying a whole case. Now, of course, the star of this set is our RWB Porsche 930. Here is our card art. Very hard to get. I think there are only, I think this casting is from, take a look, from 2019. And we've only seen 3 versions so far. I don't have any of them. It's my first one, and yeah, what can I say? I think this is just really cool. I mean, of course, this is stuff you hate it or you love it when somebody is doing that kind of tuning stuff to a Porsche. But I think it looks fantastic. It's my opinion. I mean, look at this, back. Look at these huge tires in wheels in the back. And I also think the color is a great choice. The 6 spokes, really nice. We get different decos on the side, as you can see right here. It's mirrored on this side. Details on the front. The Rauwelt windshield banner and this ridiculous wing on the back. Unfortunately, you can see this little dot here on the windshield. I think it's something on the inside, but anyways, this is, in my opinion, a really, really nice display piece. Looks fantastic. And let's take a look at our models all together. Let's bring them a little bit closer to the camera. Of course, as always, I'm picking a favorite, and what can I say? I mean, fantastic set in my opinion, all of them. That's my opinion. And the star, of course, is the RWB. This is as good as it gets. And with that said, thank you for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.